Rooster's rage burned at the crack of dawn. His feathers ruffled pride was nearly gone. She didn't lay the egg his master sought. He paced the barnyard deep in anxious thought. He flapped his wings and gave a mighty crow. His wife just stared like she didn't know. "Why no egg, my dear?" he barked so loud. But she just clucked and walked amongst the crowd, counting blessings in the shape of chicks, little feet that scurry quick. He checked their health, gave each a peck on the head, grumbled to his wife for the day he'd dread. She stood her ground, she wasn't cowed. Today no egg, no golden shroud. The barnyard's ours, not his to claim. Sometimes life's more than this old